Well, it's night before Thanksgiving. We're out here slaving away. Not much has been done since I was out here Saturday. It's been a holiday week, but we're spending it out here tonight. They're here to pick up that car. Daryn's setting the shocks for them, and it's going to Arkansas in a little bit. And I'm still polishing. The never-ending job. What a way to spend the night, right? Just ready to be done with it. That car will be at the Dome next weekend. They said they're taking it. So Daryn and Max are over there getting a shock set for them. So they got a good baseline. Get that one gone. Get the new one here. It's been ordered. The 1.2. Taking volunteers for people that can work a buffer. The next victim.
Not it.
Why not?
I'd say Doug Klein has no more excuses.
Yeah, I'd say Doug's up next for sure.
So you've been out here like 2 nights?
Yeah. Wow, that's a.
I'm not polishing underneath it.
You polish it.
No.
I want that. You polish that.
That inside out. It looks good.
What do you think them are?
Rivets?
For what?
I don't know. Don't dig into it.
I don't know, but they got a couple of the Torx bolts there.
He's like, leave well enough alone.
It's got to be the cover for the framework.
Yeah.
Like
Remember-
the steel framework.
Remember 5 minutes ago when you said you're ready for this project to come to an end?
And he just digs in a little deeper. Like, fuck it. Jason, you want Thanksgiving? Fuck no. You want Christmas? Fuck no.
Like I said, I'm going to have to polish a half a day on opening day just to get done.
It'll be all right.
Tires won't get
We're going to have that orbital I've been using with a piece of sandpaper to buff tires.
All right.
You're losing your tire grinder for the year.
You think you can knock that out before you leave?
See, I'm out. I'm going home.
This section will be done if you just finish it.
I think your wife's trying to go to bed. I don't want her to...
This ain't about her.
She actually said she sleeps better with that noise.
Yeah.
Right? Probably.
He wants me to fire the buffer back up.
She don't look like she's ready to go to bed.
She's moving out.
Yeah.
She's like fucking. She's like preparing for the cold because the heat don't work. The hot water don't work.
Hey, welcome to the No Heat Club.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Neil. Last one.
Yeah. He got the, started fabbing the cabinet up here. She's gonna be nice. First snow of the year here in St. Louis. Good day to be inside where it's warm. It's Saturday, November 30th. It's currently 30 degrees outside.
So do you have more 3/4?
No, it's in Dad's truck, and he's at the hospital with my grandpa.
That project is, that section's done, finally. Seemed like it took forever. Daryn's bolting her back in. Ogre's admiring Daryn's welding. Lack thereof. Trying to figure out what to do there. 2 of the 3 supervisors watching Dad work. And it's about 1:15 and it is still coming down. What do you think, Grant? What do you think, Emily? Next panel done. Daryn's still adding to my list.
He's always on the list. What's up?
Ogre's over there working on a door frame. And I'm back to polishing. Oh, never ending. Well, not a lot got done. We are making progress though. Got that panel done, that panel done. He's mocking up to put this on here so we can have a tire grooving station right in front of the air conditioner. With the holiday, it was kind of a slow week. The slide is officially done. All this is stripped out, ready to go shear. He's going to pick up the metal Monday to build the box here for the refrigerator that's going in there. Once the metal's sheared, this will be done quick. He'll be waiting on me to get everything polished. I'm about polished out.
Yeah, we just started welding out of high school. Yeah.
Ogre's got the door ready to go back together. That car did leave, as you saw earlier. Well, it's Tuesday, December 3rd. We're back out here. Not much progress has been made. Dave's stripping doors, and I'm getting ready to polish. And we're waiting on Daryn, as usual.
He headed for extension.
Sounds like Gizmo Mogwai running through here. Little gremlin.
It'll always be out of the way.
Don't feed her after midnight.
If you don't think it's going to be a problem, it don't matter to me. I mean, it's whatever he wants to do. Yeah. I just keep looking at it. Boy, it seems like we're making a congested area. And he put the TV up there.
Put it on that end. I don't care. The guy that does it down there, though, is gonna sweat his balls off because that'll be the hottest area in the trailer.
Why?
The air conditioner won't get.
When you had that on, it was blowing big time down that way.
Why don't you just put a receiver in there and put a receiver in here?
I can.
You know what I mean? Especially if you're gonna cut 5.5 inches off.
Hey, we can put a fan here to blow the air.
You can put a fan here.
Well, when you were working on this tire deal,
I'm telling you, there's a reason they put a second head unit in these things.
Yes.
And it was because they're hot up there.
That was our last one. We had to put a fan there to blow cool air, or it was 20 degrees warmer at the front of the trailer than it was right here.
Right.
well, we could still do that.
That's middle of summer's gonna
No
suck.
more box fans.
Here.
No, it's got them little ones. You
Gotta have one of Milwaukee
Yeah.
fans.
That I can
The
handle.
big one.
Yeah.
That one's nice. That needs to be your Tony's.
We'll go to Tony's and put it on CC Food Mart's tab.
I'm telling you, just get a smaller TV and put a head unit right there.
Head unit.
One right there, one right there. Be all you need. You just made yourself another cabinet.
I know, we're not doing any more projects. This is over with. We're cutting this fucking countertop, figuring that door out, and then moving on. I'm trailered out.
Well, I hear you. When are parts coming for the car?
Dome. I gotta pick them up down at the Dome.
You didn't tell me that door was gonna be yellow and red.
Well, it's gonna be white after he paints it.
What door?
We got a garage door, like our old trailer.
Roll up.
Well, maybe. The kid hasn't fully come through yet, but he's thinking it's gonna be it.
Run down. We'll run with that cable, just like we said. That flexible wire. I mean, look what they do.
Yep.
This is fine.
You got boxes with you or no?
Yeah, I got all of it. I brought it all in here the other night, didn't I?
I don't know.
Where's it in the truck? I thought I brought it in here. Max is saying about just siliconing on and taping it. Let it dry. What do you think?
I think it'll fall off. Now, that double side
Silicone on the back side.
that silicone will hold nothing. My experience, silicone's a terrible glue.
I would second that.
Yeah. Now, you might get away with that double-sided tape.
But there it holds it out though.
Correct.
You not want to drill holes?
Well, he needs to drill that way.
Well, the thing is, you're going to see holes in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to drill that way.
Yeah, you got to drill into the cabinet.
Well, but that's not the way they done it. They done all the wide flange.
Can you flip it around and put the wide flange that way?
Not now, you can't. It's all done. It's all mitered and fit.
There's no way silicone's holding that on.
Well,
God damn it, Nick.
That's got to be one of the new ones they put on there.
Maybe. No, he did them on the truck, I thought.
Did you do it?
No. God, I should have. I have no idea how I did not. God damn. Not even a mark. How am I
scratching?
No.
I just whacked it.
Oh, there's one there though.
What? I didn't do that. No, that's shit off your fucking hands, bro.
No, that was already there, dude. I
but
just
that's what
rubbed
that
it.
is. That's stainless shit.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to leave at this part. I can see this is going to be a touch and go.
No, why don't you lay them out for me where they look like people?
Oh, Ogre's getting ready to cut countertops.
I'm gonna do that just so it doesn't roll. Won't be long now. You only have 2 of those ones in the wall.
I got 2 of the big ones over there.
Oh, I was like, what the hell? Going hot.
What are you looking for?
8-inch rivets.
You're gonna fuck yourself. I'm just getting ready to say you screwed yourself.
I didn't even think of that.
Little sandpaper, that looked nice.
What did you just say? I don't know.
What are you doing?
Making noise?
What are you doing?
It's rivet. They're literally in a case.
Why are they in the trailer?
Because you put them away every.
Fucking time. Where? You already put them out?
Everything you're looking
They're
at.
right there, Dad.
I thought they were.
Oh, I have a fucking clue what I'm doing.
Yeah, you just cut your fucking good magnets.
No, that's for tight spots.
He found them. They're in a trailer.
Hey, look, check the bottom right cabinet. Just go waste a bunch of time.
There's the pile that I still have left. It's just a long, slow process. Want to try and do that? Do that. You're ringing. Not a lot of progress tonight. I got 3 panels done. It's 7:45. Think I'm gonna take off. We got this cabinet cleaned out, all that mess that was there. Gonna put a receiver down there so we can put that tire grooving station on either side, depending on if they're doing a lot of shock work here. Oh, it's never ending. Like I said, it'll be January by the time I get done with the holidays. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Thanks for rebuilding with us. It's coming.